First practical of the upload is the functionality of logic gates. What are the practical significance? Logic gates are the basic building block of all type of digital system. Digital gates are used in all digital circuits such as switches, memories, microprocessor, and embedded system. In this practical, we are studied four basic gates, which which are IC 7404, 7408, 7432, and 7486. First one, NOT gate, we are studied in last practical. This is our practical setup diagram. Pin number 1 and pin number 2 having two inputs for 7408 IC, and pin number 3 having output with connected resistor and LED. Pin number 7 grounded and pin number 14 VCC. In NOT gate, we are having single input and single output. Okay, so we are connecting input to the pin number 1 and output we are getting from pin number 2. So the truth table is very simple for NOT gate. Y is equal to A bar, means if we are giving the input 0, then we are getting output 1, and if we are giving input 1, then we are getting output 0, means LED will glow when we are giving 0 input, and if we are giving 1 input, then LED will be off condition. These both practicals we have studied on breadboard, same as for 7432 here. This is the pin diagram for 7432 OR gate IC. Here also we are giving two input to the pin number 1 and pin number 2, and we are getting output from pin number 3. In single IC OR gate IC, we are inbuilt four gates, but we are practically functionality testing for single gate. And this is the truth table for OR gate. Y is equal to A plus B. For truth table, we are giving two inputs, so A and B. In 0 0 condition, we are getting 0, so LED will be in off condition. Then we are giving 0 and 1 input, then LED glow, we are getting the output 1. Then 1 and 0 input, then we are getting LED glow, 1 output, and 1 1 condition, LED will glow and we are getting 1 output. This is for OR gate. Then next one is XOR gate for IC 7486. Same as AND gate, OR gate, and XOR gate. Same four gates are integrated in this IC. Pin number 1 and 2 having A and B input, and pin number 3 having output condition Y. Here we are connecting resistor and LED. Same connections will be like this circuit diagram. Pin number 1 and 2 having input A and B, then pin number 3 having output. Here we are connecting the one resistor, limiting resistance of 330 ohm. Then after that resistor we are connecting the light emitting diode, LED. Positive terminal of the LED connected to the resistor and negative terminal of the LED grounded. 7 number pin also ground pin, so these two pins are short, LED negative terminal and pin number 7 grounded. Then pin number 14 will be VCC. Any gate you can check by using this connection. So we are completing here for 7486 XOR gate IC's truth table. This is the XOR gate IC truth table. When we are giving the 0 0 input, we are getting LED in off condition, 0 output. Then 0 1 LED in on condition, we are getting 1 output. Then 1 0 LED will be on condition and we are getting 1 output. Then 1 LED will be in off condition. We are getting 0 output. These connections will be implemented on the breadboard. In last practical, we are completing 7404 NOT gate IC and 7408 AND gate IC. These two gates output we are writing in this observation table. So write down in the third table 7432 OR gate. 7432 OR gate. When we are giving the A and B input 0 0 0 0, then LED in off condition, LED in off condition. Write down here LED status off, output voltage 5 volt. Sorry, output voltage 0 volt. LED in off condition, output voltage 0 volt. When we are giving 0 and 1 input, then LED status on, output voltage 5 volt. Next, when we are giving A 1 and B will be 0, then LED status on, output voltage 5 volt, and for 1 LED status on, output voltage 5 volt. Then next IC 7486 XOR gate IC. Here the truth table. So for first condition 0 0, LED status off, output voltage 0 volt. Then 0 1, LED status on, output voltage 5 volt. Next 1 0, LED status on, output voltage 5 volt. And last 1 1, LED status off, and output voltage will be 0 volt. These are our basic gates